On this episode of Dirt Road Traveler, we're in Mai Taeng on our Intrepid adventure in Southeast Asia. We're going to do some really fun stuff that might include a river. So we've begun our drive from Sukhothai to Chang Mai, and we've stopped to look at a rice paddy field. And I'll tell you, at 9 a.m. it is stiflingly hot already. One thing of particular interest is the level of the water that the rice plants are actually growing in. And maintenance of this water level is the critical piece to having a successful rice field. These are our mini buses for the remaining 4 days of our time here in Thailand.
Yeah, for 4 hours.
So this is the making of sticky rice.
Half hour. So 4 hours.
And for those of you that can't feel it through your screen, it's warm.
You don't have to soak. You put hot water.
Oh, the same
You
thing.
can early. Yeah, you can.
Check out the bubbling as it's boiling inside.
Oh my god.
Peel the bamboo before you hold it. Yeah. New spoon here.
Well, we finally had a chance to try some street meat, and these meatballs, the ones that are white on the right are chicken, and the dark ones are beef. And for dessert, we're having deep fried banana. Okay, so we're somewhere between a third and a halfway to where we're going. Bob and Ev have refused to celebrate beer o'clock with us, but you know the way those Aussies are. I'm telling you. Anyways, we're loving the drive. Joe is our driver, and he's a fantastic guy. Super safe. We're feeling quite comfortable on this ride. It was great to finally see street food that we were comfortable eating. Yeah, so that's about it for now. If you're enjoying this and aren't a subscriber already, think about hitting that subscribe button. We won't spam you, just lets YouTube know that we're doing good stuff. Alrighty, carrying on. Cheers. Cindy is having Khao Soi beef, and Tim has the Khao Soi pork. Fun fact, Khao Soi soup last year was rated as the #1 soup in the world. The spice is kind of nice. So there's a lot has been made in our past videos about the past few days of our travels here about the roosters, and this little roadside pottery shop, I shouldn't say little, it's actually huge, has some wares that Cindy quite likes. So we're getting a little serving platter and a little bowl with roosters, and for the 2 pieces is only 90 baht, which for those of us converting to Canadian dollars is about 4 Canadian dollars. Unbelievable. After almost 8 hours, we've arrived at Khao Soi Lodge. Very excited to be here and can't wait to share the experience with you. This is a beautiful spot, nestled in amongst the mountains. And we're looking forward to not just seeing our room, but shortly after, we will be taking a visit into a Khao Soi village. Welcome to room number 6 at the Khao Soi Lodge. This is certainly an experience. Our room is entirely made out of bamboo. The walls, the furniture, the bed frame, everything but the glass and the supporting structure for these doors is made out of bamboo. this is our view out the window. This is an absolutely incredible experience. And let's go check out together. Oh, look at that big, tall, strapping, handsome guy. Said no one ever. This is our entirely ceramic bathroom with what I think appears to be a huge shower stall. Matching towels, a light that's in a hunk of bamboo, even a bamboo rope hook. Well, Mrs. Dirt Road Traveler, what do you think?
I think this is very rustic.
Rustic and unique.
Very unique.
And quite special. Okay, next stop, we're going to the Lisu community for a tour. Truly, the beauty here is all around us.
Christian, and the Lisu is like a spirit animation, so we have like a 3 different belief in this area. But today we're going to learn about spirit things. And when you come back around 6:30 p.m., the dinner will be served at your place outside. Yes. For your group in outside the balcony. Your house name Magrut, that means Kefilan tree. So if you want to get in Wi-Fi, you can go Magrut, no password.
So these are longan trees, similar to a lychee.
Only one time a year you can harvest. Here we have a lot longan and rambutan. You know rambutan? Yeah, red, very many hair and red color.
Oh, what's that similar to?
You have a bit lychee, the big house. And some of the house they also have more like a cake. Yeah, for eating, for selling as well. Yeah,
Look, another rooster.
The lower part is to using the bamboo. Lisu lodge, they built like the Lisu style. That's why they call Lisu lodge. Everything in the past, they're using like a natural material, bamboo or wood. I think the water bike company everybody go extra can, Oh, that's cool. It's mixture of volleyball and soccer. Mix, yeah. They can kick and they can.
Here's the town limit sign for the Lisu community. And those are green beans to be proud of. Those are incredible green beans. Oh, I've been duly corrected. Climbing beans. The Jack and the Beanstalk type of beans. So this is a cup of green tea as our welcome gift for being here.
If anyone have problem with that, you can try out. Yeah, they miss many medicine herbs. And behind that, for this year, every year they made the new. Yeah, the Lisu people.
So now that we've had the tea, now we're having a corn-based whiskey.
Festival once a year is in the spirit thing. Just nowadays they become Christian or become Buddhist because they come to Thailand. They see like a missionary or this learning from Christian school. So they have got some believing in God thing. And actually in the past everybody believed that. But this village, the Lisu people, they still keep the old belief about believing in the spirit. Yeah. About 97 of the Lisu in this village, they believe in the spirit. Just about 3 families, Christian, very tiny. But the Akha people, the Akha in this village, almost 100 of Akha families, they're Christians. And we have 2 churches, Baptist church and we have Protestant church, 2 churches.
So this is the herbs that were used in the production of the corn whiskey here. And we're told that there's over 20 herbs and spices used, and it's a very secretive kind of mix to put it together. But while I'm showing you this, I have to tell you that whiskey of the literally hundreds of different whiskeys I've tried was by far the nicest, smoothest whiskey I've ever had in my life. So I would love to know exactly what was in this because it's brilliant. And tucked away here is Mother of Earth. This is amazing.
And we're gonna walking down from the circumstance here on our class.
And this is one of the areas where the monks work here.
Get the guy with the umbrella and let's make our way down.
The table is being prepared for us for our first dinner here at Lisu Lounge. And this looks really good.
Oh, like a wishbone.
Tonight they come here for dancing performance for you. It's a traditional dancing for you. Okay, and also they're also wearing their traditional costume, like a full option dress up. Usually they dress up like this, like a special time only, like a New Year's Day and on the wedding day, like a very special time, not every day, because it's quite heavyweight. So next month gonna be the New Year, so they're gonna dress up like this, nighttime, and they're gonna dance all day, all night, about a week. Okay?
All day and all night?
Yes, all day and all night they celebrate very hard.
Barry, it's the horror. It is. It's the horror. Or that's what I'm doing.
There's a lot of fun watching this, and it's such a cool experience getting to see the traditional dance. And I have to tell you, being a 6'6" guy, the three young ladies I don't think are 5 feet tall, and it's also, it was quite the challenge to actually try to dance with them. The step work is actually quite difficult. Slowly, day is breaking. We've been listening to all sorts of great bird sounds while we've been sitting having our tea and coffee in the morning here. Right now, it's about 6:45 on the morning of December 18th. This has always been my favorite plant and will continue to be my favorite plant. The leaves close up on contact. Let's try it again.
Where did you keep your peels?
Love it. After a short drive from the resort, we're going to start our village tour. And this is what greets us when we arrive. That elephant is about 7 feet tall.
Okay, do you have any question? No? But he would like to do the monk. He would like to be the monk, yeah, but it cannot because we call like the Buddha say like you are not human, you are the animal. It cannot be the monk. And then the Naka is hard to talking, ask for to the Buddha every day, every month, every day, every month. And then like the Buddha say, okay, you can be for the monk, but not like in.
This is the village's men's hall. And unfortunately we can't go in because there's a problem with the roof. But the way it's decked out with the serpents on the stairs, amazingly gorgeous. Just an ancient statue. Just some wonderfully cool stuff in the quiet corner in this little village. I have no idea what this says, but it's absolutely cool. There's Cindy's smelling the leaf of a ginger plant. Ginger leaf. And these are chilies. Best scooters in the world. And a papaya plant. These are considered an eggplant. My birds of paradise. And tucked inside this tree is a massive jackfruit.
Massive. I knew they got big.
It's a bit bigger than a rugby ball.
This is a better angle. Let's see that.
The wires and electrical and stuff here are just absolutely mind-boggling. And this is all through Thailand that we've seen so far. These are bamboo stand-up rafts. And maybe this is a bit of foreshadowing for what's coming up next. And now that we successfully survived the raging river, we've been given a reward of a fresh juice and rice. And inside that banana leaf was sticky rice wrapped around a banana.
On the west coast, it's easier if you're coming from the United States.
And this is steamed rice. First, when you come to Thailand, you eat in the restaurant in Bangkok, this kind of rice. Okay, but how to cook is very much different. Very much different. Okay, let's see.
Better than you use the I don't know.
Take this word. Do you have someone?
So much hate.
See how
so
he-
much hate.
So much hate. That's right. That's right.
So after our hard work of putting the meat on the bamboo skewers, the barbecue master is looking after them sitting on the open fire.
Yeah, just
We've been seeing it on the road.
you can smell.
Okay, just around the edge.
Right.
Now it's Cindy's turn to start doing some of the work.
Okay. Just because.
One of the things I'm most fascinated about here in Thailand is the mushroom culture.
So you pound.
And the mushrooms here
Okay.
are
Now you can start
absolutely
pounding.
amazing.
When you pound, just each small one, you can stick it while it's hot. Okay? Yeah. So, just a little bit wet.
So there I was, minding my own business, eating my lunch, and an elephant came out of the woods. And now it's time to learn some weaving craft. And that is what Cindy has created. And look at how proud of herself she is. Wow.
So this is
Wow.
like a UR, like this, right? Wow. And this is from here to here is just special character.
As the barbecue has started, and this is very and I learned how to write my
So you
name in
prefer
Thai.
F1?
I'm happy.
Okay.
This is our amazing barbecue dinner.
Oh, spaghetti, but you use spaghetti.
This looks
I thought you were
spectacular.
And this is, sorry.
Well, our time here at Lisu Lodge is coming to a close, and we're going to be heading to Chang Mai next on this amazing Intrepid trip through Southeast Asia. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, think about hitting that subscribe button. We won't spam you, we won't do anything like that. It's just letting YouTube know that we're doing videos that people enjoy. Anyways, thanks for coming along for this part of the trip with us.